It was a battle of titanic proportions in Manicaland province, where the three different camps of Uganda clashed over candidates to fill the vacant Central Committee position that became available upon Doroth Mabika's assumption of the Women's League chairperson. Salabina mashoko obuda panguva ino awalini MO yachataka Uganda panguva ino achiburitsa nhau dzake dzaari kuti Bhaskoro News panguva ino achiataka Uganda panguva ino ndodwa subscribe like out on the bell tichipinda paBhaskoro News Emmanuel Remera achiti all three Uganda camps were determined to prevent General Sanyatwe, who is aligned with General Chiwenga, from assuming the position. Kuda kwaita Gwirei begged Justin Matsatsira, while John Paradza supported Deputy Minister of Primary and Secondary Education Evelyn Gata. Temta Tungwarara, a renowned Chigananda pro-Marx in his own right, stood as a candidate and ultimately emerged as the winner. His victory has sparked accusations and counter-accusations within Kudakwashe camp, accusing immense distress. Bakwashe is reported to be deeply hurt by the rise of a fellow Chigananda to the Central Committee. Compounding his pain is the fact that Tungwarara used Bakwashe's own strategy of buying votes to secure his position, proving that there is nothing particularly special about Bakwashe. The self-proclaimed multi-billionaire Bakwashe Tagwire was left counting his losses after spending as much as $500,000 on a vote-buying spree in support of his chosen candidate, Justin Matsatsira. The overambitious Bakwashe learned the hard way that one cannot always get their way. He spent the entire Sunday in bed with the shoes, Korane Butsubaba, on the following the outright rejection of his candidate by the very people he had been pampering with cash. Bakwashe believes he has the support of Harare, Mashenko, Midlands, and Mashonaland West Province for his presidential bid. His political runners in Harare misled him into thinking he was a kingmaker capable of filling the Central Committee positions in Manicaland, while his own imposter, after a week filled with Bakwashe's usual razzle-dazzle of raptors and fancy cars making nocturnal visits of Manicaland PCC members, it was assumed that Justin Matsatsira would easily land the position. Since the election, a political inquest has emerged within Bakwashe's camp. There is growing suspicion that money may not have been delivered to key players and that a significant portion of the funds remained in the pockets of Bakwashe's Harare runners. The sooner Bakwashe realizes that Manicaland is not Harare, the better. Meanwhile, John Paradza's involvement diminished any remaining chances Carter yet in the race. The mere mention of his unpopular name caused significant displeasure among the Manicaland politicians. May the divisions and fighting within Uganda continue. Tomashukana kuleta kwa panamba alini emachita aiwa poita ma infights mu Uganda group. Penda comment section medu za fukuro imo tuliba msulubi chitu kulichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.